Hi everyone, this is me Surbi from the blog thefashionflight.com, and today I'll be taking off YouTube videos from my list, and I'm going to do a small haul which I recently ordered from Luxola.com. So just to brief you that Luxola.com is an e-commerce website which has all the beauty products under one roof, and you can look for nails or your makeup or your skincare, your bath and body, and the list goes on and on. So when these guys, they contacted me to do a haul on my blog, I said yes, and this is what the package comes and looks like. It's Luxola. So I'll just show you the products which I ordered, and I'll be reviewing a few of them since I used them for quite a while. So the first product is the Nip Plus Fab Viper Venom Wrinkle Fix. Okay, so normally I don't need a wrinkle fix in my life generally because I am just 30, but nowadays the circumstances are like there's so much of pollution, stress, lifestyle changes, so we definitely need a wrinkle fix in our life and our beauty stash. So this Viper and Venom Wrinkle Fix, I've just used it for about a week. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, and it gets a little confusing because it has two compartments inside, so I was like wondering where the second product is, but nevertheless this is the product we have, and it is supposed to even out the skin tone. It blurs all the imperfections on the face, and I really need to use it for about a week, more than a week now. So in order to tell you how good the product is, I have to use it for a month or so. So if I use it for a month and I definitely find any change, I'm going to review this on my blog. So this is product 1. The second product is from the Rachel K brand, and this is one of my favorite brands, and I'm quite familiar to this brand from before. So this is Youth Eye Complex. Now I had a little problem with this product because in the first package which arrived in this bag, this product was damaged, and the minute I used to take out the cap, the applicator came out with it. So, and I was not able to get any product out of my hand. So, and I've been using this product for about 3 weeks, and it's definitely working under my eye. It has reduced the early morning puffiness. My dark circle seems to be, I'm getting rid of them slowly, and the best part is that it comes with the applicator, so you can just massage it. Okay, I'm wearing my glasses. Alright, so you can just massage it like this, in an upward stroke and on both the eyes, and maybe you can start using it if you want, and if you have some fine lines under your eye, or you have morning puffiness, or you have some swollen bags, or maybe dark circles. So it takes care. It definitely takes care. So it's working well for me, and I would really recommend that you really get this product. Order this product from Luxola and you're good to go. So, okay. So the other product which I'm wearing right now on my face is this Dalish. It says Silk Matte Foundation, and it is true to each and every word. So it has got a very silkish, mattish texture, and okay, it's taking a while to come out. Okay, so this is Dalish, and I've applied it for about used it say about 5 to 10 times. The moment I apply it on my face, it is it's very silky and smooth to apply, but the minute it settles down, it gives a very radiant and a very pinkish tone to my face. And I like this product a lot because it's very well for the daytime. It doesn't give a very cakey feeling, neither it gives you a very flashy glow. It's very subtle on your face, and the coverage is not great, though I would not recommend that you use this product for evenings or for night outs, but then you can give it a try. If you have fair complexion, you can give it a try. Maybe you do not need a lot of coverage, so then this can really work for you. So okay, so this is product number 3. The fourth product which I had is this Rachel K Mineral Control Pressed Powder. So the best part about this is that it's evenly, it gives a very even complexion, and you can see from the applicator puff that I have literally used it for quite a lot of times. It comes out with a plastic flap like this, so there are two compartments. You don't really have to put the puff onto the powder, so you can really, it has a different storage compartment for the puff. And I mean, I've used this for, again, both these products, I've used this for 5 to 10 times, and literally today also I'm wearing them, if you can just feel it. So yes, this is another product which I feel that is suitable for Indian skin tone, and the shade which I'm using is it's deep. Okay, it says deep here. So they have two shades in Rachel K CC pressed powder. This one works great for me, for my skin type and my skin tone. So maybe, okay, I'll just show it around a little bit more. See if I don't have an acne mark, or I don't have a blemish problem, I don't have any such redness or any sort of marks on my face, so I don't need a concealer that way. But yes, I haven't concealed, so you may be able to see a little bit of spots or my moles or stuff like that on my face. So this is very light. It gives a very medium coverage. So definitely, if you need something heavy, you have to look for another product. And the fifth product which I have is this from Makeup Store oil blotting paper. So blotting paper is a must-have, and I've been using the ones from Shiseido for 3 years now in a row, and I definitely wanted to give, switch using Shiseido to something else, and they recommended me this. So I haven't used it as of now. It's very easy to carry in a bag, see? And you can just roll them out as much as you want, the quantity, and there's a cutter on top and you can really cut it. Okay, I'll just show it across. Okay. Oops. Okay, this is like it. I'm just not wasting a lot of it. So it comes out like this, and yes. So this Makeup Store is a brand, it's a Swedish brand, and they're all available on Luxola. And Delish is again, it's a Canadian brand, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it's from made in Canada. So you can really try out this if you are looking for a medium coverage. So that's about it. These are the few products which I ordered from Luxola in my mini haul, and I would be sharing the links of the products down below in the video. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it, share it, or as usual, just comment anything. And if you want me to do a separate blog post on any of the products which you want me to review it, do mention it out in the comment section. So as of now, it's me, Surbhi, signing off, and yes, there's 2 more videos.